do want to show you one more thing, just to emphasize that this is not just abstract. This isn't academic. This is real. Well, it is academic, but bad pun. Not intentional. So let me pull up one of my own projects. I had to write a field paper my second year at Stanford, which was the most substantial research project I'd done to date. And I did everything wrong. So I was studying civil wars, and I was searching, doing inductive research, trying to find patterns in really messy data about civil wars around the world. I was using multiple data sets. I wasn't totally sure what I was looking for. I was testing hypotheses, probing the data, doing plausibility probes. I had a mess of code. And even today, as I was preparing this video, thinking back on that project, I had a hard time even figuring out what code was what, because there was so much stuff spread across multiple directories on my hard drive. Generate all data sets. Okay, I've got a script here that calls other R scripts. What I had to do is basically a ton of manipulation, merging data sets to create these. So if you go in the code directory, those are all buried in there somewhere. But I've got all kinds of stuff. I mean, who knows what EPR3 helper, frag clusters, I don't know, oldcode.r. This is the stuff that gets you in trouble, right? And this is bad code too. It's really inefficient. It's all for loops. It's terrible. I learned how to do this stuff way better later. Plots. It looks like I'm probably generating. I'm loading one of those data sets. Plotting some stuff, saving it. You would have a heck of a time trying to figure out what order the stuff was supposed to run in. Look at all the data sets I have. I've got other code living out here in a different directory, fieldpaper.r, that's using all these other data sets. Saving. I got kind of the idea here to put things in a figures folder. But it's not nearly as developed. Here's more R code in this drafts folder. I don't even know what's different there versus the field paper, fragmentation.txt. I'm loading figures in, but look, I'm pasting tables. So anyway, you get the idea. This is how most of us do it. And when you start to get a really big project like this, it gets out of control and gets you in a lot of trouble. I have since been working on going back on this paper. Let's see, paper rebel turnover. And what you'll see is exactly what I just showed you as I've sort of developed this. Assets, I've got different things from different sources I'm citing. I've got a one-line build script. It's the exact same code I showed you. I'm running all of my scripts in a row, building my paper, and you'll find all the same ideas here. So there you go. All those messy data sets I was showing you earlier, just buried in my code, now live in an output folder. All my figures live there, and I can't tell you how good it feels to just destroy that folder every time I build and watch the entire thing come back in about 3 seconds. So that's what we're going to learn how to do in this course. Teach you this philosophy, teach you the practical skills. I hope you enjoy it.